Hey there, New Yorkers. You need to renew your driver's license but don't want the DMV hassle? Good news. You can do it online in just a few steps. Let's break it down and you'll be done in no time. Ready? Here we go. First, check if you're eligible. You can renew up to a year before your license expires or 2 years after. Just make sure it's not suspended. Oh, and your address needs to match what the DMV has. If it's different, update it online fast. Next, you'll need a vision test. Get it done within the last year at a DMV approved spot, or have a doctor fill out a form. You'll need that info handy. Now head to the New York DMV website. There's a link for online renewal. Pop in your license number, social security digits, and vision test details. Easy stuff. Time to pay. It's $64.50, but if you're in places like New York City or Long Island, add $16 more. Think of it as a city tax. Use a credit or debit card and you're almost there. Last up, download your temporary license, print it out. It's good for 60 days while your shiny new one comes in the mail. Boom. You're done. That's it. Quick, simple, and known lines. Hit the DMV site and you're back on the road legally in minutes. Drive safe, New York.